So can you explain to me why a burner phone that's been used to operate that drugs line was found in your flat?
I remember this day clearly. I was collecting drugs that I've ordered.
Yeah.
They were being delivered to near my address, where when I went to collect it, the person who was delivering the drugs had dropped their phone into a puddle, and then I offered to put his phone in a bowl of rice, so he took his SIM card and left the phone with me, and I put it in a bowl of rice and just forgot about it because it didn't turn back on. But if you found the phone, then you would see there was no SIM card in it, there was no battery, there was no back holder.
Yeah. But your account is the reason that phone is in your house is because
I was trying to repair it, yeah. I left
the
it
drug dealer, the guy who was operating the drug phone, dropped it in a puddle, so you said you'd repair it, so he took the SIM card out, gave you the device, and you put it in a bowl of rice to try and
take the moisture out of it.